Good morning, friends. I came here after a few days with a new notification, and that is Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board, that is from Government of NCT of Delhi, that is Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi, Karkarduma, Delhi. Dear friends, you know very well, only we can discuss about our related subject, our related posts. They are stenographers and typists or computer operators based on stenography and typing. You know very well. Here you see in this notification here about 32 categories of vacancies are here, but we can discuss only stenographer or personal assistant. In these 32 categories, I am going to discuss with you regarding, just you observe here, this is for the post of personal assistant. This is for the post of personal assistant. Here 84 vacancies are there for personal assistants. It is in the department of Delhi Jal Board. Delhi Jal Board. And next one, post code number 23, that is junior stenographer English. Here 13 vacancies. This is the Department of Delhi State Industrial and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Okay, my dear friends, these posts are exclusively in, the posts are at Delhi only. Okay, if you appoints there, you have to work at Delhi, in Delhi headquarters only, like that. Okay, as usually we can see for first one notification postcode 17 of personal assistants, the required qualifications, etc. We can see, you see here personal assistant department Delhi Jail Board. According to reservations, the posts are allocated. Here 84 vacancies. That's it. And the next serial number 23, junior stenographer English. This is the department of Delhi State Industrial and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Here 13 vacancies classified into reservations, post 1831, etc. In total 13 vacancies. Okay, let us see. If you want to apply for this post, just you go through this website. That is http colon slash slash d sssbonline.nic.in. You have to go with this website and just you click it, and then the application will open, and you have to apply for this. And other than this online mode, no mode is available to apply. You have to apply only through online. That's it, my dear friends. And here one note is given: the date of examinations will be intimated in due course. After applying this, the recruitment personnel will inform you when the examinations are going to be conducted, my dear friends. Regarding this scheme of examination, this is Tier 1 General. Okay. MCQS. MCQS means multiple choice questions, 1 mark each. Okay. Syllabus, just you see here: general awareness, general intelligence and reasoning ability, arithmetical and numerical ability, test of Hindi language and comprehension, test of English language and comprehension. Here you see the note. Based on the performance, the recruitment personnel may be called for skill test for the posts of personal assistant and junior stenographers. It is about a 10 minutes dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute and 80 words per minute respectively. Already I mentioned here, no, For personal assistant vacancy, just you have to write at the rate of 100 words per minute dictation for 10 minutes. And here for a junior stenographer English, just you are going to write 80 words per minute dictation for 10 minutes, like that. And also you have to type the same on computer after taking dictation. That is okay. Note again, based on the above two tests, appointment orders may be served. Okay, based on two, what are they? One is written test, tier 1, and then who qualifies in that written test, they are going to call you for skill test. And also after qualifying in skill test also, that means written test and skill test, you are going to be given an appointment order. I think there may be chances to conduct interview also, as per the decision will be taken by the personnel of that department of this organization. Okay, my dear friends, this is the advertisement notification regarding qualifications, etc. Already, okay, we can discuss regarding qualifications. We see here uh, personal assistant now. First one, okay, you see personal assistant 84 vacancies. The qualifications are 10 plus 2, that is equal to intermediate, and for which you have to write 10 minutes dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute, and the same you have to transcribe it within 40 minutes on computer. Okay, my dear friends, here the department is not asking any certificate. They are not asking any certificate. If you are able to write 100 words per minute and able to type on computer, you may get, you have to apply for this. You may apply according to your interest. Okay. But no certificate is required here, my dear friends. That is. Okay. For which personal assistant post, the age is 30 years, and age relaxation also there, 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC and PH candidates, etc. Just you go through for detailed notification with the website, my dear friends. That is next, regarding junior stenographer. You see, regarding junior stenographer, here 13 vacancies. Here also the required qualification 10 plus 2, that is equal to intermediate. But here asking one thing, that is intermediate with English as a subject, my dear friends. Please just you take into consideration, just you keep your concentrate here. Not only 10 plus 2. With that 10 plus 2, you should have completed with the English one of the subject here. That is required. And able to write 80 words per minute. Uh, they are going to give dictation for 10 minutes. The same you should transcribe within 15 minutes on computer. That is required. Here the age is 18 to 27 years, and age relaxation is applicable as per rules. They are 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC. And for detailed instructions, just you go through instruction through website, my dear friends. Okay, then we'll see. You have to apply only through online. No other mode are there. You have to apply through online only. Okay. Uh, the successful candidates will be required to submit legible self-attested copies of the documents, admit card containing signature of the invigilator, along with the hard copy of printout of online application at the time of verification of documents. Dear friends, whenever the department asks you to come to for verification, then you have to go with these certificates which mentioned here. Just you follow with these instructions. And examination center is at Delhi only Delhi. Just you have to go to Delhi and write your examination. And the candidates must carry original Aadhaar card, any other government issued identity proof to the examination. Okay, dear friends, while you are going to write your written examination or skill test, at that time just you go along with the original Aadhaar card or any identity proof which is issued by the government, that is required, just to keep concentrate on this. And regarding examination fee, there is only 100 rupees for examination fee, and examination fee exempted for SC/ST, public works department, I mean government employees, and ex-service candidates, and all women candidates. No examination fee for all women except OC candidates and BC candidates and male persons only, but not women candidates. That is, these are all general instructions, my dear friends. And while you are paying your application fee, just you go through SBI ePay only. This is very important. This is very, very important. Just you keep concentrate here. Only just you have to pay it through SBI ePay, but no any other mode of payment, my dear friends. That is. And syllabus here, syllabus given already we have discussed this. And here the relaxation for SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, public works departments 10 years, public works departments including SC/ST candidates 15 years, public works department and including OBC 13 years, etc. They are all relaxable accordingly. These are all already we have discussed the multiple choice questions, 1 mark each, etc. Already we have discussed it. And a skill test, oblique endurance test will be taken as per the requirement of the job. The decision may be taken by the department based on the written test. After qualifying in written test, they may be called according to their opinion. I mean, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 4, etc. We don't know now, but the decision will be taken by the department, my dear friends. Anyway, this is from my side. I'm sharing the information. Just you are going to apply. I mean, just you apply, my dear friends. Anyway, thank you very much.